Another branch down. This poor royal palm right here by the front door is going to be completely bald by the time the storm's over. Another gust. They're coming more frequently now. What's that oak tree across the street? Man, it's hot and humid out here too. Humidity is 100%. It's only about 77 degrees, but it feels like 170. And somebody's going down 5th Street. I hear a car. Idiots. Another gust. I'm worried about that big Norfolk pine back there. It's really whipping around. And that one could break. When it gets high enough, the top of that thing could come right off, break right off. Ooh, that's a backwards. That one came from 2 directions. Some of those big oak trees up behind that house. Oh, that's not good. Whee! Whee!
Wow, it's really raining out here.
Yeah. Look at that oak tree across the street, Paul.
That one's not ready to fall.
Yeah. This palm tree right by the door is dropping those.
Alright.
Look up at that big palm tree right there and you get dizzy. You feel like you're on a boat rocking back and forth.
Whoa.
I know. I think that one's going to go. I don't think that one's going to survive, to be honest with you.
Oh, there's a branch.
Another branch.
There's a posy.
Another gust is going to come. You watch. You see the clouds up there? See how they're rotating?
Yeah.
See the big gray, the dark gray one? And it's going like that. The hurricanes, the outer bands are rotating around us, and that's what's causing these big gusts of wind that we're having.
Huh.
And when the hurricane...
So that's why that tree is going in a circle.
Yep. And when the storm gets closer to us, these trees are going to be blowing like you can't imagine. But we won't be standing out here then.
Good.
I might have to video it through the window, if I dare get near a window. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I can see that we're right in the middle, I think.
We're not in the middle of it. We're not even close to the middle of it. It's going to be not till dark tonight.
Look at this green.
I know.
There's so many branches to pick up.
I know. Look at them all, huh? Crazy. That's all from that one tree, except for these here in the front yard. That one tree. That one. The big one.
Oh.
Here comes some rain. Hear that? That's wind. Sounds like a train coming. I hope it's just wind.
Whoa, lightning. You should post this on Facebook.
I'm going to put it on YouTube and post it. Wow. Oh crap, that tree is going to fall. If it doesn't fall, I'll be amazed. I just hope it falls across the road and not on my house.
I know, it's like 102 feet up in the air.
It's at least 100 feet. Maybe 80 feet, but it's up there.
Oh yeah. 102 inches.
No,
100
feet.
100 feet and 2 inches. Plus 6.
Funny how, see, it kind of stops and then another big gust will come along.
Feeling another branch coming on. Oh! One's
Man,
about to
I'm
fall
telling you,
off.
the top of that tree is going to break off. I don't know how much more it can. If it's already doing it at this wind speed, what's it going to do at 100 miles an hour later?
I see another branch about to fall off.
Yeah, there's several that are going to fall off.
Thanks, wind. Pulling up. Really? I was wondering where you were. I don't know how to change it. I thought it was that out there. I was wrong. Look at Samuel's yard.
I know.
But ours is less worse than theirs. Yeah. All the branches. Ugh.
I think we're the only people on the street with that the Washingtonian palm tree, and that's the thing that's losing all the branches. Except for this royal palm for whatever reason. Man, those clouds are moving faster now. If you look close at the clouds, you can see them spinning.
Oh, I see. I see.
All right.